Hello, my lovely crafters! I've always dreamed of a secret place where summer never ends. Today I'm building a tiny ocean view balcony inside this simple box. Let's create some magic together. I'm using recycled cereal boxes and cardboard to keep it eco-friendly. Also some scrapbook paper and printable template from my blog MakePaperDolls.com. The link you will find in the description of this video. First, we're creating the book cover. You can double the cardboard if you want to make it stronger. I cover the spine with scrapbook paper, leaving the tabs, and glue the cover details. Now, the heart of our project, the large window. Cut it out and cover the walls with scrapbook paper. Add a piece of clear plastic from packaging to make it look like real glass. It's all about these little details that make paper crafts feel alive. To make it even more charming, let's add a tiny flower bed right under the window. A few artificial plants, some roses, and look! Our balcony is already starting to breathe. Cut out details for the box. Cover visible parts with scrapbook paper. The most important part is the view. A deep blue sea and a warm sunset sky. It's like a window to another world that you can close like a book. Isn't it dreamy? Now let's make a cozy swing. To give it real dimension, I glue details on a few layers of cardboard and add it in place. It makes the paper feel like actual wood. Then I take some computer paper, roll it to make a tube, glue it to the sides and add flowers. And for extra comfort, a soft rug and a table for summer cocktail, fresh roses and candles. I glue a cardboard behind the table for dimension. This is my doll's favorite spot already. I glue a stripe of cardboard in the bottom of the box and then balcony. The same way on the top, but here I add leaves. I want this balcony to feel truly alive, so I'm adding roses. It takes time, but these tiny flowers change everything. And now for my favorite secret ingredient. These lights will turn our craft into a real evening fairy tale. Just watch. And it's done! My doll finally has her own private paradise. When life gets too busy, she can just sit here, listen to the waves and watch the stars. What would your dream balcony look like? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!